Hey all, welcome to ShareTreck. This is Raj here, friends. The time has come for me to go on vacation. I'm going to fly off to Cancun in a short while, and maybe I'll do a few shots if I get an opportunity, or else I'm just going to relax and enjoy. But today, I'm going to give you a gift before I leave, and that's going to be a bunch of companies that will benefit due to Trump's tariffs, because these companies manufacture domestically in the US and have most of their income coming from the domestic US market. So they are going to do much better than most of the others, because with tariffs, what's going to happen is the price of imports is going to go up, and the local manufacturers who do not import will have a price advantage. And what they will do with the price advantage is that they will increase their sales price, and that goes directly to the margins and increases their profitability. And you want to be holding those kind of companies as long as the tariff regime is there. And the companies to avoid during a tariff regime is the companies which depend heavily on export income, because there will be retaliatory tariffs from other countries, and that's going to cause a problem. However, those companies will also benefit from the increased exchange rate, where the US dollar becomes stronger. And for me as a Canadian, I'm going to see the Canadian dollar become weaker as compared to the US dollars. So all my US dollar denominated investments by default will become more attractive. And on top of that, if I invest in tariff proof companies which are going to benefit from tariffs, it will be good. And those companies are going to be in the area of steel, home furnishings, construction material, apparel, footwear, those kind of companies. So I'm going to give you a list, a new watch list, and you can check that out. And as far as our regular AI and genomic stocks are concerned, I think they are just going to go up a little bit more, and then after the initial excitement is over, they will start giving the gains. And of course, we'll have the Santa Claus rally as well. So I don't see any major action for me in the next 7 days. At the most, I'll buy some 10 or 15 FNGU and leave it just like that to see where it goes during the Santa Claus rally. Plus, I would be buying some of these shares I'm talking about, which are tariff-proof shares, because right now is the time to buy before the tariffs impact. What's happening right now in the US is that companies which depend on imports have placed rush orders to get inventory ahead of schedule. So there is a lot of price competition in the container market, and all those things are happening. That is going to camouflage the tariff effect for at least another 4 to 5 weeks. And before that, if we manage to get some of these companies which have still not registered the tariff trade, I think we stand to make good money. So watch this video till the end, and of course, subscribe, like, and make sure that you stay in touch with the channel and don't lose me in the last 7 days of my vacation. Let's get started. Welcome back, friends. Let's go to the new watch list. So here is my new watch list titled Tarriff Kings. So Tarriff Kings are those companies which are going to benefit, in my opinion, from tariffs. The very first here is NUE, which is Nucor Corporation, a steel manufacturer. You can already see that they have had a huge gap up, and pre-market they are up 1.13%. And I still believe that we have approximately 17% to 15% gains still available for us under the tariff trade concept. Of course, these are all my personal opinion and not financial advice, so please do your own due diligence. The next company that I have as a Tarriff King is going to be Hanes Brand Inc., which manufactures apparel and footwear. They manufacture the Champion brand of sports footwear, Hanes hosieries, and the Wonder Bra, those kind of things. So this company, I think, is going to be a wonderful addition to anybody's portfolio in the tariff regime, assuming that Trump goes ahead and imposes the tariff. I have drawn a cup and I'm looking at the handle, and the target could be pretty high. So this is a very good company. The price is also low, $7.10. It's worth a risk in my opinion, so I'm going to check that out. And then we have WHR, which is Whirlpool. They manufacture appliances, electronic appliances, washers, dryers, and many other things. So this company again is likely to benefit. And We have STLD, which is Steel Dynamics, already has a huge gap up. I don't know how much more gains can come here. I think the tariff trade is already baked in here, and any further gains are always welcome. But this company is going to gain from tariffs. Of course, Ford Motors, which is still struggling between EV and ICE engines. I think Ford Motor has got a good opportunity with the tariff regime, because if imports become expensive, it makes the game much easier for Ford. Again, at $11.19, it's an easy share to buy. We have Caterpillar, which is the other play that I would say. It makes construction and farm machinery, heavy earth moving machinery, those kind of things. So it's already seen a gap up, and it's again up 0.50% in pre-market trade. So that's another company that could benefit. Their latest earnings showed a EPS negative surprise of 3.40% and a negative revenue surprise of 1.59%. So it has not been that great of late, but they could gain from tariffs. And then we have MAS, which is Masco Corporation. And Masco Corporation is into building products. This company may again benefit a little bit from tariff trades. Then we have TSN, which is Tyson Foods, up 0.41% in pre-market trades. And I think that potentially, if you look at the recent past, I feel that they could have a gain of at least 10%. Based on the tariff trade, the bare minimum. And then we have HRL, which is Hormel Foods Corporation, which is flat in pre-market trade. Their most famous products are Planters nuts and Spam, and they have a whole bunch of other food products that they sell, basically meat, fish, and dairy related. And then we have LZB, which is Lazy Boy, with their home furnishing and the sofas and other things. They are also into a huge cup, and the handle is being formed right now. We had a gap up yesterday. I think Lazy Boy would be another company that would benefit from tariffs. And then we have LOVE, which is the Lovesac company, home furnishing companies again. This company could also benefit. And then we have the well-known Costco, which is on a bull flag right now, and I'm expecting it to break out on the upside. And it's down 0.26% in pre-market trades. I already have this in my portfolio. I was not buying more because I thought the price was already high. But now with the prospect of tariffs, I would definitely add a little bit more here. And then we have Home Depot. Home Depot is up 0.42% in pre-market trades, and it could pick up more. And at the very least for Home Depot, I'm thinking that we are looking at a gain of somewhere around 10%, 9 to 10%. That's what I'm looking at out here. So friends, this is what I have for you as a gift, as a leave for my vacation. And again, all of these are my personal opinion, not financial advice. Personally, I'm going to be looking at buying some of these as a tariff play. And maybe I'll get a little bit of FNGU for the gambler in me and leave it there for until the Santa Claus rally and see what happens. So that's about it, my friends. Everything is going to be good, and looking forward to the holiday season, looking forward to my vacation. And I would have a little request for you guys. When a channel does not put videos out for a few days, the YouTube algorithm loses track of it, and I may be out of your homepage. So if you have not subscribed, I request you very earnestly, please subscribe. I don't want to lose your audience. And it will be really good if you subscribe and press the notify button, so that as soon as I come back and start releasing videos, you have the option of watching my videos, because it will pop up out there saying Raj has put up a new video, ShareTreck has a new video. So please do that. If you're not yet subscribed, it means a lot to me. I'm a small-time content creator trying to make it big, and your support keeps me going. Please press the subscribe and notify button and the like button. Let your friends know about our channel. Thanks and have a great day. Bye for now.